share with you another journal that I've made, and this one is a traveller's notebook size journal, and I've used some digitals from Tsunami Rose and ARTYmaze and My Porch Prints. If there's anything else, I will mention that throughout. So I've used some fabric as the cover. ARTYmaze, when I met her back in October, was it October? Yes, it was October. She had gave me some items and this fabric was in there. So what I did was, I wasn't quite sure, I was going to cover all of it again with this lace fabric, but I decided to make it like a pocket on the front and a pocket on the back, so you can tuck stuff inside there. And I have popped some tags in the front here. These are from ARTYmaze, this is from My Porch Prints. So that pops in there. You can take them out and put other things in there. The Traveller's Notebook measures 8 1/4 by, I think it's just slightly over, excuse me, 4 1/2. Oh, actually it's 5. It's 5, but the actual kit is Traveller's Notebook size. So there is the lace, not the lace, the fabric here, and then there's cardboard in between. Actually, it's not cardboard, it's designer cardstock, and then there is coffee dyed cardstock on the back. I don't know how many pages is in this, I didn't count them, haven't written it down. We've got some eyelets and some sari silk here, just tied in a bow. That's the last of my sari silk, have to source some more. There is some tabs on here, fabric and cardstock tabs. This will be linked, this will be listed in my shop if anyone's interested. So let's go inside. I'll have all the relevant details on there, like how many pages, etc. So it's like the cardstock, like I said, cardstock on the inside cover. There is a shimmer to that. This is from, is it Charming Fragments? Sorry, I can't remember what the name of the kit is. I've got a stinking cold coming and I feel my head is like 100 miles away. These were some of the pockets that I made up the other day, so I've added one of them, and there's a big tag in the back there. Lots of collaging here. There's a butterfly. There's a mixture of stuff from, yeah, it's all ARTYmaze, I think. So that's that. We have a doily here, some edge punching paper bag. This is from Tsunami Rose. This is from the old design shop. And here we have, oh, this is Dreams Etc. So that's Dreams Etc. as well. A tri-fold journal piece. The papers are either tea or coffee dyed, and there is shimmer throughout on some of the pages. I've got a half page here, the lace fabric tab. Here we've just got a side pocket and a piece of ephemera, and this is one of these flip downs and flip it opened. Look at the staining on that, it's really lovely. And this is an idea from Climmy, and she is linked below also. Index card which has just been stamped and inked up, a doily, some more edge punching, some ledger, some lined paper, tab here. Here we have a envelope pocket, so you can tuck things in behind here, and it's also opened at the top so you can tuck things inside there. Large tag, and down here we just have one of ARTYmaze's labels with a butterfly on there. We've got a tag here, again that's from ARTYmaze, a stamped coffee dyed tag, little piece of ephemera there that you can do some journaling on, that's from Tsunami Rose. And then this little mason jar is actually a stamp, so I just stamped it out a few times on some coffee dyed cardstock and then just stamped the rose in the middle, and I thought that would actually be nice if you coloured it in. And it's just got some eyelash trim, paper bag. Here we just have another tag. It's been sewn onto teal coffee dyed paper. This is from from the old design shop. There's a flip here with a little label, another fabric lace tab, centre of the signature, a little bit of a half, well it's more than half a page, a bit of a page, and another journal card from Dreams Etc, another trifold, and that just paper clips on. I'd actually started this by the journal had actually, the signature had been all gathered, and I just thought I need to use it up, otherwise I'll probably just leave it and cut it all up and use it for other things. Another little mason jar. This is a smaller stamp with the butterfly on there, a large tag, butterfly tag, and a coffee dyed stamped tag. And this pocket is just made from some paper from My Porch Prints, and I think it's Grandma's Attic. Little collaged pockets here. Again, another little mason jar. This has got a rose on there, a tag, another journal card, some ephemera, this is from Tim Holtz. Another flip with a little label. These are from ARTYmaze, and she's got them in various colours, and they're a freebie. So you can find that either on her website or on her Facebook group, which is called ARTYmaze and Friends. And another one of these flips. Pocket, and here is a large pocket with a tag inside there, and I used that paper again from My Porch Prints, and then I just made a little tiny tuck here because it kind of looked too plain just on its own, even though the papers are really pretty. Excuse me. The index card, and another mason jar with this bottle of perfume, just tucks in there, and that is the back. So that is the journal. Like I said, everyone will be linked below. This will be listed in my shop. If you have any questions, then just ask, and thank you for watching. Bye.